Hello, I'm Dr. Sharyu Mohite, fertility consultant. In last videos, we learned about ovarian stimulation and ovum pickup procedure. In this video, let's talk about embryology part. So as we discussed that after the ovum pickup, the follicular fluid we give embryologists to check that how many eggs we obtain at the end of ovum pickup. After the pickup procedure, this follicular fluid will be kept in incubator for next 2-3 hours. After 2-3 hours, our embryologist will do something called as denudation. Means it will clear the follicles out of this mucus, bloods which is there in the follicular fluid. And after that, they will analyze what is the quality of that oocyte. This oocyte is nothing but a mature egg. And there are 3 kinds of oocyte we get at the time of ovum pickup. One is GV, which is not developed properly. The second one is M1. So it has developed but it has not completed the maturity. And third is M2. So this M2 mature oocyte is required for fertilization and it is having a potential to develop a good embryo. So after 3 to 4 hours of pickup, we come to know that how many M2 we have actually got at the end of pickup. At the same time, the husband semen analysis will be done, and after the sperm selection process, the motile healthy sperm is identified by the embryologist, and in the oocyte, this sperm is injected. This procedure is nothing but ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Once that is done, these embryos are grown in the culture media in the incubator, and after 3 days we get to know that how many day 3 means cleavage stage embryos been formed. So day 0 is the time of ICSI. After 24 hours there will be a 2-cellular embryo. After 48 hours there will be 4-cellular embryo, and after 3 days on the 3rd day it will be 8-cellular embryo, that is nothing but a cleavage stage embryo. Then 4th day it is a morula and 5th day is blastocyst. That embryo development to carry forward till cleavage stage or till blastocyst is depending on the egg number, depending on how many day 3 embryos we form. And then we discuss with the client like these are the embryos which are there on day 3, and then we take a call. A shared decision making is done between a patient and us, and then we take a call that how many of these do we go for blastocyst. Blastocyst is obviously a good quality of embryo, but from day 3 to day 5 there are many epigenetic changes which happens in the embryo development, and that is in that procedure sometimes the blastocyst rate in human is very known that it is on the lower side. So sometimes it may happen that numbers on the day 5 embryos are very low. So this is all has to be discussed with the client very transparently, and then the decision has to be taken. So this is how we do the laboratory workup of this embryo development in our IVF center. You are free to contact us on the following numbers given in the page. Thank you.